Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, specifically the APEX model with its striking gold accents. This set boasts a unique fusion of materials and technologies, aiming to deliver pro-grade performance without compromising on health or convenience. Let's break down what makes this set tick. The headline feature here is the GreenPan APEX Hybrid Thermobond Technology. This isn't just another non-stick pan. GreenPan has fused a diamond-infused, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating with an etched stainless steel pattern. The idea is to give you the best of both worlds, the incredible searing power and durability of stainless steel, combined with the effortless food release and healthier cooking of ceramic non-stick. They claim it's 10 times more metal-utensil safe than their previous coatings, which is a significant claim for any non-stick surface. Underneath that is the Power Apex pattern. This isn't just for aesthetics. The raised stainless steel etching is designed to direct heat more effectively, which GreenPan says translates to better searing and more efficient cooking. This is a crucial point for anyone who loves getting a good crust on their meats or vegetables. Then there's the Infinite8 Ceramic Nonstick. This is GreenPan's proprietary PFAS-free ceramic nonstick. They emphasize that it lasts longer and performs better, making every meal healthier by avoiding potentially harmful chemicals often found in traditional nonstick coatings. This commitment to health is a major selling point for many home cooks. Durability is another big promise. The built-to-last feature highlights that 10x metal-utensil safe surface we mentioned, but also points to wrapped edges that create a chip-free, dishwasher-safe pouring rim. This is a smart design choice, as chipped rims can be a pain point for many cookware sets. The core construction is tri-ply stainless steel. This means there are 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a powerful aluminum core. This construction is a classic for a reason. It provides excellent heat conductivity for quick and even heating, facilitates great searing, and contributes to perfect browning of foods. This particular 13-piece set is quite comprehensive. It includes an 8-inch frying pan, a 9.5-inch frying pan, a 1-quart saucepan with lid, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, and a 5-quart stockpot with lid. Beyond the cookware itself, the set comes with a silicone solid spoon, a silicone slotted spoon, and a silicone spatula, which are handy additions to get you started. Versatility in cooking is a major strength. The pans and pots are oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 850 degrees Fahrenheit, though the lids are safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high oven temperature capability opens up a lot of possibilities for finishing dishes. They're also optimized for all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic, making them adaptable to virtually any kitchen. Cleaning is always a concern, and GreenPan says this set is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. For everyday use, a simple wipe down might suffice, but knowing you can toss it in the dishwasher for a deeper clean is a huge convenience. Finally, the smart details. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles are meant to provide comfort and stability. The EasyView tempered glass lids are designed so you can monitor your food without losing heat, moisture, or flavor, which is essential for successful cooking. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the GreenPan APEX set. On the positive side, the hybrid technology is very appealing, offering a blend of searing and non-stick performance. The PFAS-free aspect is a significant draw for health-conscious consumers. The inclusion of a generous 13 pieces, including essential utensils, offers great value. The high oven temperature rating is also a standout feature. The tri-ply construction is a sign of good quality and heat distribution. However, there are always things to consider. While the metal-utensil safe claim is strong, no non-stick surface is truly invincible, so it's still wise to use a bit of care. The effectiveness of the etched stainless steel pattern in directing heat and enhancing searing will ultimately depend on real-world cooking. Also, while dishwasher safe, hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of any non-stick cookware. The gold finish, while attractive, might show wear over time depending on usage. In conclusion, the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, APEX model, presents itself as a high-performance, health-conscious, and durable option for the modern kitchen. The innovative hybrid design, coupled with robust construction and a comprehensive set of pieces, makes it a compelling choice for those looking to upgrade their cookware. If you prioritize healthier cooking, excellent non-stick properties, and the ability to sear like a pro, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.